Welcome to the WOYU channel. Doge is currently in a state of readiness. It has hovered around the 16-cent position for a long time. It could break upward at any moment. On the day this video was filmed, Doge was around 16 cents. Now it has boarded Musk's spaceship. 2 days ago it peaked at 28 cents, currently undergoing a pullback. Today I specifically requested a Mini Doge3 from Goldshell. I think this machine is a hidden gem in the current Doge market. My purpose for borrowing it is mainly for solo Doge mining. If you're a veteran miner, you must know the status of Mini Doge3 this time last year. Basically, it could mine nearly 100 Dogecoins per day. But although overall hash rate has increased now, it may no longer have its former glory. However, I really want to use it as a solo miner to observe its solo performance and see what state it's in. I've recently become obsessed with solo Doge mining, whether using the previous LG07 or when I previously tried using Elfpeck's DG Home 1 for solo mining. Without further ado, let's get hands-on with actual testing. After entering Lucky Monster, we can find Doge. For example, my machine is a 700 MES device. Theoretically, it would take 6 years to solo mine a full Doge block. This is at 100% luck value. Coming to Lucky Monster. Its mining address is here. Let's copy it. Click Add in the top right corner. Paste the address into the miner's backend. It's worth noting, Lucky Monster directly mines to your wallet. Including Jolo, it mines through the wallet. So we just need to copy the pre-prepared wallet address directly into the miner field. We can add a dot and type Mini Doge3 to identify your machine. Password can be anything. Then click Apply. Move this address to the top. Wait for the shovel icon to turn green. After about 15 minutes, return to Lucky Monster. Click here below to select Doge. Then enter your wallet address. Click Look Up. We can see your machine is operating. The real-time hash rate of one machine. We'll leave it here. Let's see after 6 years whether it can mine 10,000 Dogecoins. This compact and cute Mini Doge3 will let it continue solo mining. Let's see when it will successfully mine 10,000 Dogecoins, with drawings happening every minute on average. If you're also interested in solo Dogecoin mining, welcome to our WOYU official website, or join our Telegram group. Get daily mining machine updates and best price offers. See you next time.